Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix not able to access Windows 7 shared folders from Windows 11, 10. First step is create new folder, right-click folder, click Properties. Click Sharing tab, click Share, add everyone, full rights, click Share. Click Advanced Sharing, check Share this folder, click Permission, add everyone, full control. Right-click folder, click Properties, click Security tab. Click Edit, click Add, type everyone, click Check Name. Allow all rights, click Apply, click OK. Second step is type Windows Firewall in Windows search bar, click Windows Firewall. Click Allow a program of feature through Windows Firewall. Click Change Settings, check File and Printer Sharing, check Private and Public Network. Third step is click Start, click Control Panel, click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Click and expand current profile. Check Turn on File and Printer Sharing. Check Turn off Password Protected Sharing, click Save Changes. Fourth step is type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand cervix, click and expand LAN man workstation. Click parameters, right-click new DWORD 32-bit value, change named as allow insecure guest off. Change value data to 1. Close and restart system. Fifth step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig, find IP address for Windows 7 computer. Right-click Start button, click Run, type / IP address of Windows 7 computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.